walked into the room with the Mac from LA, making you say zoom, tune into the greatest show on earth. Take the money, the women, and the fame. Now what's it worth? Millionaire close. Switch my style, cause I can. Black China man, billionaire flow. Wakanda forever. Neverland talk as long as I'm walking. I'm a passport stepper. Big game rapper. Flight attendant fetcher. Danny Glover, brother, using a lethal weapon. Every time you hear me, better every session. Ain't nobody near me, watch me giving lessons. This is how we zoom. I'm with a tribe full of brothers who be showing us love. This is how we zoom. No time for hating, get your passport and bro, hit us up. This is how we zoom. I'm with a tribe full of brothers who be showing us love. This is how we zoom. No time for hating, get your passport and bro, hit us up.
Alright, Bob Numbie's get in the shower, take a shower. She got her little summer dress on. Hey, it's hello, good morning.
Morning.
Yeah. Let me get one last look at this view of Bangkok. Let's see, man. And thank God for my blessings. Made it through another year. It is Christmas in Thailand, and I just woke up. It's about 11:28, 11:30 a.m. It's already about 89. If y'all saw the last video, see, man, it's hot as shit out here. See, we got people down there. Let's see what they doing down there. What's the Thai man doing? Man, I love Thai people, man, because they don't seem real. Like they have their little uniforms on and they do their little thing and so friendly and accommodating. You know what I mean? It's like you just feel safe. You don't feel threatened at all. That looks like a little street right there. It looks like a little hood. You see that? Not a hood, but you know, a little regular street. I don't really see streets like that where the streets are wide, like houses. I remember BMT said something about moving to Bangkok. BMT, shout out to BMT. You were serious about moving to Bangkok, bro? And you also said you was moving back to Colombia, so y'all watch BMT, man. He rides hard for Colombia, boy, but I don't see him on no airport leaving Thailand, though. So I think he's riding on the memory of what once was. This is what is, you dig? Shout out to my consultations, man. I've been having some good consultations, man. Matter of fact, man, I'm gonna let y'all see. I'm gonna let them take it. Check it out.
Travel OG. What's up, brother? Man, I just want to tell you, man, I really, truly appreciate the consultation. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was definitely worth the money. You know what I'm saying? Like, you got my whole itinerary planned out, all my questions answered. You know what I'm saying? It was great, man. It was also good to talk to you. You know what I'm saying? Like, you really are, you know what I'm saying, a genuine down-to-earth brother, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't know really what to expect. I'm like, man, she really like this, for real. But nah, you know what I'm saying, real cool dude, man, real cool, man. Hopefully I get to bump into you when I'm there.
What up, y'all? This is your boy Will the Beast here with the Travel OG, right? Yeah, these do this the reason I'm here in Thailand. One consultation.
Oscar Holloman pulled up on me, but he didn't get that consultation, though.
Yeah, he fucked up, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I was like, I don't want to pull up on Rich and say, look, take me to the golf course. I want to see some peaches, show the thickness and all that. But he said the consultation is $300.
Shout out to my consultation members. Okay, for Christmas, if you book a consultation, I'm gonna let Elle get on the consultation and say hello. Elle, tell them to book the consultation.
Book consultation.
Book consultation.
Now.
Oh, hey! He said now. You hear that? Now. Y'all book a consultation. The first 10 of y'all book a consultation for Christmas gift. I'm gonna let Elle be on the consultation and say what's up to y'all. And if y'all got some questions for it, y'all can ask me. Just keep it respectful, you dig?
Hey, Travel OG. I wanted to thank you so much for yesterday's consultation. My wife and I will be planning an extended trip for Thailand early next year. We wanted to do some snorkeling, eat some great food, hit some cultural sites, and I wanted to play tons of golf. You gave me some recommendations on some regions I hadn't even thought of, regions that are now on the list, and I also appreciate the heads up on the accommodations that are appropriate to our station.
So we got old school for the
100.
Old school, you said it's 300.
300.
New school, 150. 1, 2,
I ain't never had a live consultation.
250. Consultation. I need to go to the golf course.
Yes, sir.
Yoga.
Yoga, you dig?
250 to $70. Since it's Thailand, I gotta end it out with box. All mixed out box. So you get the old school 100, new 50, then we end it out 300 all and box. I think we right, but I might be a little gone.
I don't give a shit.
Consultation, if y'all don't see yoga at the golf course and see him jumping, saying, y'all don't see that. I want my money back.
Book a consultation so I can help you get out here and live your dream.
Don't worry about me, I'm just blazing. My dance moves are excellent and with precision. Get down, baby, you can't stand in a dance competition. Glistening, flashy like a spotlight, shining like a diamond party all night. Tell me you love me, I wanna see the stars, eyes wide shut, then meet me at the bar. Hop on my spaceship. Bet you can't catch me. You lames ain't ready. Cause I'm the greatest. Just sit back and watch me. Yeah. Right. Yeah. You ain't ready. You ain't ready. I'm coming through the room, turn the bass up. Y'all been sleeping on me, better wake up. Put your fly gear on, do your makeup, drop it real low and pick it back up. Excellent, bustin' with the best of them, simply impressive, no worrying or stressing. I'm getting mine right now. Put your shades on and let me show you how. I'm on my spaceship, my spaceship, my spaceship. Bet you can't catch me, can't catch me, can't catch me. You lames ain't ready, you ain't ready, you ain't ready. Cause I'm the greatest, just sit back and watch me. Yeah. Right. Yeah. You ain't ready, you ain't ready. Hop on my spaceship. Bet you can't catch me. You lames ain't ready. Cause I'm the greatest. Just sit back and watch me.
Even that spoon lady can get it. Oh, come to drink squad.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Maju Bar, Zoom to Thailand. We're doing it again. Yeah,
We doing it again. What's up, baby?
Travel OG, what's happening?
How you doing, brother? Good to see you too. What up, baby? How you doing? Merry Christmas to you too. What's up, brother? How you doing? What's happening? Merry Christmas, brother. Happy New Year. Yeah, man, you too. Yeah.
They've been waiting to meet you, man.
Hey, what's happening? Wait a minute.
What's up, Rich? Yeah,
I've been calling you.
Man,
I called you twice, bro.
You sure?
Yes, I got it in the phone. I said, "What's up? What you doing?"
Hey, this my girl, man. This is
Try to
Rich.
call. Nice to meet you. Yeah, we in
in
there.
LA,
Now
LA.
you, Brad, you live here now?
Man, I've been living here for 7 months. I got a condo.
Oh, look at the wall. There they go. Wait a minute, we got them
We got
together.
them upstairs.
Hey.
We don't ever get Richie back out.
I'm out tonight, baby.
Don't ever come out.
Oh, he come out.
But he could have
I
came
come
out.
up and down. How you doing, brother?
Hollywood style. Is this
First time mismatch.
first time?
That's mixed match.
Wait a minute, I get to meet
Everybody.
Theme music.
Can I hug her?
A very polite hug.
Let me do it like too much. Can I buy a drink?
What up, fella? What's happening?
This is the reason I came here. My passport broke.
Hey.
I see all your, where's L?
Man.
Where's
All right,
L?
give me a hand, man.
In real
I got L there.
She in real life.
What's going on? What's going on, Houston?
Good to see you,
Good to see you too. You see the video?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Shout out to my boy Richie Mack.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me get you
First, I say hi to the Fonz. Wait a minute, the Fonz over there. What up, Fonz? What's up, fellas? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, man. How you doing, man? Yes, sir. How you doing, man? Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. Yoga, what's happening, Yoga? How you doing? Merry Christmas, brother. Merry Christmas, brother. How you doing, Mike? Merry Christmas, brother. Good. Merry Christmas. Hey, the championship dive. This is the championship dive right here. All right, this one ain't fucking around. Yeah. Here we go.
Hey, this is ATL in Thailand, baby.
Here we go.
Live in action.
Good job. That's what I'm talking about. I love it here. Yes, sir. You did. Oh, really? That's the star of the show. That's the star of the show.
Get you back in the house.
Yes, sir. Hey, that dive,
I had to represent ATL.
That dive was amazing.
Way we can do it.
But you know, I had to put the Richie back on it. You know? Merry Christmas, brother. I got to say what's up to the fans. Hey, my OG. What's up, Fern? What's up, baby? How you feeling? Huh? Fonz is in the building. Hey.
What's up, y'all? Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate. I hope it's happy, merry, cherry, all that good shit.
Yeah. Yoga, what we doing, man?
We celebrate, happy, salute to everybody back home. We got on short pants right now. Short pants.
It ain't snowing out here.
It ain't snowing. Brotherly love. I'm so excited. Hey, this is the brotherhood is real.
For real. What's up, brother? How you doing, man? Merry Christmas. Let me get a zoom, Tron.
Hey, man, the reason I came to Thailand, bro.
Did I bullshit? Did I exaggerate about anything?
I'm telling you.
No cap.
Over my expectations. Oh, man. I don't know if you remember me, bro, but I'm in your chat. My name's MDG in the chat.
Huh? What's up?
I don't know if you remember that name in the chat, but bro, I've been supporting you forever, so.
Man, I appreciate it, brother. I'm glad you made it out here. Before we get on your camera, where we at? We recording? Yeah. He came out here, he listened, and y'all can do it too. Y'all better come on and quit playing. What's up, brother? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, brother. Merry Christmas. What up, brother? Hey, what's up? What's up, brother? How you doing? Yeah. Huh? Oh, okay. Hey.
We're going to say, hey, in the U.S., your birthday now.
Hey. Fit, feminine, friendly cooperative. Yeah, your birthday. We're trying to get the birthday lap dance with the Thai ladies too. Hey, look at that cooperation. Hey. Theme music!
For the YouTube. Zoom! For the
YouTube. Don't be scared. This is Thailand. You might as well get used to it. You might as well get used to it. Oh, he supposed to pull on the hair. I ain't mad at him. Hey.
That shit on there already, man. That was shit like 3,000 likes.
Yeah. Right. Exactly. That's a thick one right there.
The most now, Joseph.
All right, y'all, we at the end. Y'all know what time it is. You know what we need to do. What we say at the end, L, tell them. Steve music.
Soon to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mack, travel OG with celebrity interview. interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, Travel OG, let's go.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.